Hello everyone, today we are gonna unbox something really special, which is Oneplus Bullet Wirelessz. We ordered it a week ago and it has arrived, so we thought we can make a unboxing video for you all. And let's see the unboxing. So here are the Oneplus Bullet Wirelessz. Let's see what's in the box and start the unboxing. The packaging is looking really good and attractive. Here you can see is the two magnets. These have a special feature that I will tell you later in this video. These are the OnePlus headphones. We will see them later. Let's see the other contents of the box. This is the Red Cable Club card and the usual manual guide and feature guide. And it also includes a red cable which looks really cool and classy. These are the earphones. The color of this headphones is really unique. You don't get headphones of this colors usually. It is much darker blue than you expect it to be, and it is very unique because of its design also, because it's very innovative on the side of OnePlus to design such a headphone which you can twist, turn, do whatever you want to do, and it will not break for sure because it is very flexible and of rubber texture. Now let's see the headphone itself. Here you can see is the OnePlus branding, which looks very cool, and here is the button below the branding which helps you to switch between two devices. You can connect two devices simultaneously on the OnePlus headphone, and you can switch between them with the help of this button. This is the charging port. These are the usual buttons of power on and off and the volume buttons. And here are the magnets. I told you that it has a special feature. The special feature is that when you attach these magnets, the Bluetooth get disconnected from your phone automatically, and when you detach them, the Bluetooth gets automatically connected to your phone. So this is the special feature of the magnet. And now let's talk about the features. The first feature is rapid charging, which is that you charge it for 10 minutes and it will give you 10 hours of listening time. The battery life is of for 20 hours of listening time, and it also has the magnetic control, the special feature that I told you earlier in the video, and it is also waterproof, which is a very good thing. And it has a quick switch, which is the button that I told you to switch devices, and ultra low latency when gaming. Now this product is very cheap and good, but the thing is that it is made in China. We don't promote Chinese products and don't promote that you go and buy it, but it is a really good investment, I have to admit it, because it is cheap, fits your budget, looks really good, has a good sound, noise cancellation, everything you want in the small box. If you are looking to invest in a good piece, then go for it. And tell us in the comments down below if you like this video or not, and if not, then tell us what kind of videos you guys want to see on this channel, and feel free to comment. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. Bye.